Polygamy means a system of marriage whereby one person has more than one spouse. Polygamy can be of two types. One is polygyny, where a man marries more than one woman, and the other is polyandry, where a woman marries more than one man. In Islam, limited polygyny is permitted, whereas polyandry is completely prohibited. Now, coming to the original question, why is a man allowed to have more than one wife? The Quran is the only religious book on the face of this earth that contains the phrase, marry only one. There is no other religious book that instructs men to have only one wife. In none of the other religious scriptures, whether it be the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Talmud, or the Bible, does one find a restriction on the number of wives. According to these scriptures, one can marry as many as one wishes. It was only later that the Hindu priests and the Christian church restricted the number of wives to one. Let us now analyze why Islam allows a man to have more than one wife. As I mentioned earlier, Quran is the only religious book on the face of the earth that says marry only one. The context of this phrase is the following verse from Surah Nisa of the glorious Quran. Marry women of your choice, 2 or 3 or 4, but if ye fear that ye shall not be able to deal justly with them, then only one. Before the Quran was revealed, there was no upper limit for polygyny, and many men had scores of wives, some even hundreds. Islam put an upper limit of 4 wives. Islam gives a man permission to marry 2, 3, or 4 women, only on the condition that he deals justly with them. Polygyny is not a rule, but an exception. Many people are under the misconception that it is compulsory for a Muslim man to have more than one wife. Broadly, Islam has 5 categories of do's and don'ts. I, fard, that is compulsory or obligatory. T, mustahab, that is recommended or encouraged. Re, mubah, that is permissible or allowed. Viv, makruh, that is not recommended or discouraged. V, haram, that is prohibited or forbidden. Polygyny falls in the middle category of things that are permissible. It cannot be said that a Muslim who has 2, 3, or 4 wives is a better Muslim as compared to a Muslim who has only one wife.